Bravo and welcome to Lunch with Iya Funlayo. It is me, your favorite scholar priestess, Iya Funlayo, PhD. Always blessed, honored, and happy, glad to be with each and every one of you. And I am especially thrilled today, September 1st, 2021, to come to you with the first installment of Lunch with Iya Funlayo, where we are serving spiritual food to uplift your mood and ease you through the week. This is our new programming in place of our beloved midweek recharge, and we are excited to be here on Clubhouse where we are able to hear from you. So I'm going to be opening up for some testimonies, for some greetings, for all of those things in just a few. But you know, we like to start off with a little lesson, a little prayer, familiar format, and a little meditation. And then I'm super excited to be able to open up and hear how all of these things affect you, or hear anything that you would like to share about your experience. Today is, as I'm saying, a new day of embarking on newness. And if you were with us for the last recharge where we were honoring Shango, we were talking about having the confidence to forge new paths and to go into new places and spaces. And it is fitting that it is Ose Ogun today, Ogunde. Arere ire bobo logun wa. Ogun anile, Ogun alona, ire bobo logun aye. Ogun day, Ogun has arrived. Ogun opens the pathways to goodness. It is always beautiful and auspicious to begin on Ose Ogun. But even as I was preparing my message, my mother, oreye ye, Osun, Osun, Omio, Otao, Ideo, Agbao, oreye. Iyawa, me, she said, look, no one blocks the path of water. So the message that you must deliver to the people today on this first day of your lunchtime enterprise is from me, Osun, who is here to remind us of the blessing in the rain. Listen, we are experiencing, many of us right now, it's raining where I am. I know it's raining in New York, where my love Io is. I know that we are experiencing tropical storms, hurricanes, lots of rain, lots of winds, lots of movement, lots of change, lots of precariousness in many ways as we continue to traverse through this situation with the coronavirus, as we continue to adjust to life being different for us in so many ways than it has been before. But one of the proverbs that comes from our precious Oduifa, and which Oshun wanted me to remind us of today, is that without the rain, without the water, nothing can grow. Without the rain, nothing can grow. And so we give honor to the water, we give honor to the rain. We understand its importance. There's when you look at our the mindset that we've been raised here in the West with, you can see even in what we say about the rain, right? That what our orientation is. And so here we say, rain, rain, go away, right? You've heard kids sing that, come again another day. How you gonna tell the rain that we need to go away? No, 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 no. That's some domination type stuff. That's some I think I can control things type stuff. But what do the Yoruba say? They don't say that. They don't say rain, rain, go away. They say, Ojo unro, shere ninu ile, ma wo inu ojo ki ashore, ma ba tutu, ki o tutu, ma ba unue o. They say, the rain is falling, play in the house, right? You see it's raining outside, go play inside the house. Don't will the rain to go away. We need that. You play in the house so your clothes don't get wet, so you don't get sick, so you won't complain about the rain, right? So understand, when the rains fall in our life, they are nourishing the corn that is growing for us. They are nourishing. It is nourishing the ground. When those waters flow through, when the tears fall, when all of the precious waters that fall in our life, understand that they are representations of Osun. They are cleansing us. They are nourishing us. They are cooling us. Hey, on Ose Ogun, we got to talk about the magic of the cooling that happens as we talk about when the iron is smelted. The process is not complete if it's only heated up. The process of smelting is completed by the plunging that red hot metal into the cool waters to bring its coolness, to ease it into the shapes that it is meant to take. And so as we prepare to move into our prayer space right now, we're going to move into a space of prayer. We are going to pray that we always are able to appreciate the rains that flow into our lives, even when we wish it was sunny. Listen, come on. I'm going to testify, because let me tell you how Osun has made her presence known at every single event that was important to me in my life. My graduations, my wedding, like everything. The first time I came to see the house we're now living in, every single time it rained. And of course, I had that impulse of like, Lord, I would rather a sunny day. I don't want to drive in the rain. I don't feel like getting wet. But all I could say is, Adupe Osun, because that is you making your presence known. So know, again, that the waters come to nourish us and that they are apt to fall, especially, listen, when you've planted seeds. When you have planted seeds, that is precisely the time that the rains start to fall. Understand it. When you have planted seeds, when you are moving forward, when you are cultivating, that is exactly when the rains fall. And that's exactly when we want them to fall the least. And that's exactly when we need them to fall the most. And so we just give thanks. We give thanks for the rains that fall. And we pray to always be able to feel the nourishment from it. Hey, I see all of my beloved, several of my beloved Elaine members in the house. Muffin, happy birthday. Melita, Terry, Ayo, Sadio, Fakemi, Dosomu, give thanks. I'm happy to see all of the family that is in the building today, the old, the new. Nandi, I see you. Joya, just a couple of y'all. Lori, blessings. Safi, Chad, blessings. So as we get ready to move into our prayer space right now, we pray to just always understand the blessing of the rains that fall and allow them to nourish us. Ashe. We know that we begin by giving invocation to water, because we know that what to if you want go wash, it's water you go use. If you want cook soup, it's water you go use. Nothing blocks the path of water. No one fights water unless what? Unless they want die. So we never fight water. We say, Omi tutu, Ashe tutu, Ona tutu, Ile tutu, tutu laroye, tutu bobo egon, tutu bobo risha, tutu emio, tutu bobo wa, tutu ori. Go on and touch that ori. If you're new to the family, that's your head. Touch your head. We know that Ifa says what? If you need a house, you gotta ask your ori. If you need a spouse, you gotta ask your Ori. If you need that money, you gotta ask your Ori, because it is only through the precious mechanism of our own divine consciousness, our own Ori, that we are able to see and accept the blessings that are meant for us. Asheo, Mojubao lo Jumare. Ọba terere káyé, mojúbà tí ojo, mojúbà tí oòrùn, mojúbà ilẹ̀ ògèrè àfọkò yèrè, mojúbà Ọ̀rúnmìlà ẹlẹ́rìí ìpín, mojúbà ìbárùnmọ́lẹ̀ ojú kò tún, mojúbà ìbárùnmọ́lẹ̀ ojú kò sẹ́n, mojúbà ọ̀kànlẹ̀ ní ìrìnwó ìrùnmọ́lẹ̀, mojúbà kódà, mojúbà ṣẹ̀dá, mojúbà arábẹ́lótú Ifẹ̀, mojúbà wọn ni àfínjú eye. Mojuba Egungun Ile, calling on all the ancestors, call on your ancestors. Egungun Bawashe, Egungun Bawashe, Iba Egungun Mokwe Babaeni, Ishesheni, Iyaeni, Ishesheni, Isheshelabu, Kato, Borisha. It is our mothers and our fathers who are our Isheshe, and it is Isheshe to whom we pay homage before any other entity. We give thanks. Mojuba, Ori, Mojuba, Baba, Mojuba, Yeye, Mojuba, Wanala Seko, Mojuba, Bobo, Borisha, Mojuba, Teshwadaranika, Losuro, Mojuba, Baba, Miobata, La Epa, Baba, Rubo, Epa. Orisha wepa mole baba mi mojuba oshun ye ore ye mojuba shango ka o ka bi si mojuba ogun ye mo mari wo ogun be mi obi o se be ni akoko mojuba so si ode mata mojuba mo beji mojuba egbe mojuba bobo orisha kinka mashe bobo wanti ani fe fun kinka mashe means may no harm, hurt, or danger come. We say Kinkamashe and the names of anyone we want to bring into the sacred circle. Just a couple of you. Kinkamashe, Mara, Kwanda, Rosa, Rosalind, Gwendolyn, Crystal, Kinkamashe, Charmaine, Kim, Lioness, Pamela, Rennie, Kinkamashe, Denise, Kinkamashe, Portia, Kinkamashe. We say Kosi Iku, Kosi Harun, Kosi Epe, Kosi Ofo, Kosi Olopa, Kosi Idina, Kosi Wahala Rara. May there be no death, no sickness, no problems, no loss, no problems of any kind for anybody listening to the sound of my voice. We say Funwani Orire, Funwani Ilera, Funwani Alafia, Ire Owo, Ire Omo, Ire Aiku from Bobowa. We pray for good heads. We pray for bodily health. We pray for peace. We pray for wealth, for productivity and children, and for long life. Ashe, oh, Ashe, Ashe. So, iba eshu, adupe, ro. We give thanks, we give thanks, we give thanks for being able to call out to our precious divinities. If you are not familiar with that prayer, I invite you to tap my picture, head over to aseire.com, to my website, and get my ebook, Mojuba, where you can learn that prayer for yourself, understand the cosmology, understand who it is we're praying to and what we're praying for, and know that it's all blessings, all uplift, all positivity, all expansion that we are always, always, always praying for you to become the highest version of yourself, for you to ascend to the heights that are meant for you to ascend to, for you to understand your own greatness. Know that it's not the Orisha who do it for you. It's not the ancestors who do it for you. It is you who do it. They only assist. And so we give thanks and praise for their precious, precious, precious assistance. We know if you're a regular family member that after we call out in prayer, we always have to listen to that sound deep in our hearts. We have to go into a moment of precious meditation so that we are able to receive and integrate whatever messages Spirit may have for us in this moment. So I invite each of us to begin breathing deeply in through our noses, out through our mouths, releasing any stress, any tension we may be feeling, letting our shoulders relax, letting our faces relax, release tension in the jaw, release tension moving down your body, scan gently up and down your body, just notice anywhere you are tense and actively relax. Allow the relaxation to roll down you like a precious wave. As you breathe deeply in through your nose and out through your mouth. Envision a bright yellow light shining in the middle of your body at your navel, radiating out, ready to absorb the nourishment, ready to absorb the goodness. Osun. Osun, great mother, the one feminine divinity that stood amongst the men, the sweet and powerful one. The cool and fresh one whose waters are medicine. We call on you now to nourish us. We call on you to strengthen us. We call on you to keep the current flowing in our lives. We release stagnation. We release fear. We release depression. We release procrastination. We release not feeling good enough. We release anger. We release regret. As we breathe out the next breath through our mouths, we release each and everything standing in our way. We call on you, Osun. bring joy, bring peace. We welcome happiness. We welcome clarity. We welcome sweetness. We welcome goodness. We welcome abundance. We welcome prosperity. We welcome power. We welcome divine alignment. We welcome every good thing that is meant for us today and every day. We welcome it in. Oreyeyeo. Adupwe. 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 Osun to jumilado ore ye 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 o ore ore Osun to jumilado ore ye 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 o. Let us take 3 more deep, cleansing breaths in through our noses and out through our mouths, beginning with 1. 2. And 3. As we release that 3rd breath, let us begin to reawaken our bodies. Slowly and gently begin to move. Gently move your fingers, your toes. Gently. And finally, if you have closed your eyes, gently open them and rejoin the room. Adupwe, 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 oreye, Osun, oreye. Welcome back, welcome back. We give thanks and praise for the ability to call out and the ability to listen and receive. Give thanks for every breath, for every moment of relaxation. Thank you, Shay Muffin, for getting the ministry of giving started. If you are feeling blessed and feeling it in your heart to give a love offering, you are invited to do so by scrolling down to the bottom. You can click Give Money, or you can do so at $Funlayo. Know that your offerings are immensely appreciated and that I pray for each and every cent to multiply 1,000,000 times and return to your pocket. Know, of course, that the most important gift that you have is not your money, but your time, your attention, your energy. So please do me a favor and make sure that you only spend those with people and in places that uplift you, that empower you, and that energize you. Ashe, ashe, ashe. Oh, adupwe, adupwe, adupwe.